Okay, we're going to transform this equation. So I'm just going to say f of x. Let me go back to black ink. F of x is equal to x5 plus 6x4 minus 2x minus 5. And what we're going to do is transform this equation. Let me point out what I mean by that. This is the equation into an equation which will have the same roots with contrary signs. So we're going to do basically a rotation about the y-axis again. How do I do that? F of minus x. Let's plug that in. Minus x to the 5th power plus 6 minus x to the 4th power minus 2 times minus x minus 5. Let's write this down. That's going to be minus x to the 5th power. And then you're going to get what? Plus 6x4 plus 2x minus 5. So let's write down the new equation. It's going to be 0 equals minus x to the 5th power plus 6x4 plus 2x minus 5. This is the equation they want. So what I'm going to do is point out, I'm going to look at the graph, and I want to see those roots be opposites. Like, for example, one of the roots was 7, the other root would be minus 7, so forth and so on. All right? So let's take a look at the K. Let's see if I wrote this down. Minus x5, 6x4, 2x. Ooh, I see an error right over here. And I'm glad I looked. Let's look at the other one, too. Make sure to make any errors there. x4, 8x cubed, minus 7x squared. That's good. There's an error over here, though. I'll have to correct it. And I'll do that moment. You're not going to see that error, by the way. So minus x5 plus 6x4. Then it's going to be, yeah, there's an error here. Error. I got to correct it. And minus 5, yeah. So I'm going to look at the graph, by the way. It's figure 280 now. And let's look at figure 280. And again, I hope you realize that there's two curves there. One is a solid curve, that's f of x. And then I put the transform curve down, and that's going to be the dash one, f of minus x. Now certainly, again, I want to point out what I mean by roots. You're looking at a root here. Now the dash curve should have an opposite. And let me just show you what I mean by that. Let me just measure it out for you. So I'm going to put my little tick mark here. So let's take a look at a measure there. Let me line it up here better, okay? And let me see what I got there. So that would be over here. All right? So that's the same measurement, right? Yeah, approximately. So I got that. And then on the, let's do the other one. Well, the other one's really kind of obvious to look at. I'll put it in a different color. This does appear to be at about 1, and this was minus 1. What am I doing? I'm rotating that curve about the y-axis. That's all that's happening over there. All right? Again, I need to correct the notes. Before I do that, though, I want to remind you who I am. And let me tell you my email address. It's Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you.